Hello and welcome. Not knowing your future might be the best thing that could ever happen to you. I know. Sounds strange, right? We spend so much of life planning, predicting, trying to control what's coming. We think certainty will keep us safe, but certainty doesn't exist. There is no script, no hidden plan, no guaranteed path. And at first, that feels scary, like standing in front of an endless dark space, like the ground under your feet has disappeared. But breathe and look closer. That dark space you fear is also where everything new is born. It's the open sky of possibility. It's the canvas where life paints itself, moment by moment. Alan Watts once said, "Life is not a trip to a final destination. It's more like music or dance. The point is not to arrive somewhere. The point is to play. When you see this, suddenly the unknown is not against you. It becomes the stage itself, the very reason life feels alive." Think about it. If the future was already written, it would be boring, like hearing the same song over and over again. But because nothing is fixed, every moment is fresh, every moment is alive. Some people call this nihilism, the idea that life has no built-in meaning. But that doesn't have to be negative. It can mean freedom. If life has no fixed meaning, you are free to make your own. Meaning is not waiting far away. It's created here by living. So, how do we feel okay with not knowing what's next? First, remember this: you never really knew anyway. Plans and goals are just stories we tell to feel safe. Think back. The biggest events in your life: meeting someone, losing something, finding a passion. You didn't plan those. Life brought them to you. Second, stop treating uncertainty as danger. The unknown is not an empty hole. It is possibility. It is the doorway through which new things enter. Third, let yourself play. Not knowing means you don't have to act like you're in control. You don't have to carry the whole world on your shoulders. You can laugh, stumble, stand up again, because there was never just one perfect path to lose. Take a breath with me now. Close your eyes if you want. Notice the silence between your thoughts. That silence is the unknown. And yet your breath still comes. Your heart still beats. Life still carries you. So here's your challenge. For 1 minute today, stop searching for what's next. Stop filling the silence with fear or plans. Just sit inside the openness of not knowing. Feel how wide it is. Feel how free it is. The universe does not need you to have all the answers. It does not need you to control everything. It is already moving, already dancing, and you are part of that dance. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are here, part of the play right now. And that is enough. Thank you for watching.